Hello, and welcome back to another video on the great app Termux. We will learn how to install ToolX in this video. Because it was designed specifically for Termux, ToolX is widely regarded as the best Termux hacking tool. With the aid of ToolX, one may download over 370 hacking tools for Termux with a single click. Remember to use this program responsibly and not to engage in any unlawful activities. Now that we've said that, let's go on to see how to install ToolX in the Termux. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel so that I can continue to provide content like this. More videos about Termux may be found on my channel, so have a look.